Hello children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will solve exercise of lesson 13, the solar system. So in previous lecture we have learned what is solar system. So the solar system consists of the sun and everything that orbit means revolve or travel around the sun. And these include the 8 planets and their moons, dwarf planet and countless comets and other small objects. However, even with all these things, most of the solar system is empty space. And this solar system itself is only a small part of a huge system of stars and other objects, which is called Milky Way galaxy. And even this solar system orbits around the center of galaxy, which is even just one of billion of galaxies that in turn make up the universe. Means we can say that the sun, the 8 planets, their moons and the dwarf planet form the solar system. And this solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy, and this galaxy is a part of universe. And these 8 planets that revolve around the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. What is the sun? So at the center of the solar system is a star which is called the sun, and it is the largest object in the solar system, and its diameter or distance through its center is 865,000 miles. And in addition, the sun contains more than 99% of all the material in the solar system, and it is hot ball of hydrogen and helium gas. Means that sun is a huge ball of fire that gives us heat and light, and even it is at the center of solar system. So we can say that sun is a ball of hot and burning gases, and it is made up of gases which is called hydrogen and helium, and it is the nearest star to the earth. And even sun is the major source of all energy for life on earth, like it gives us heat and light. What is Mercury? So it is one of the 8 planets that orbit or travel around, and it is the closest planet to the sun, and its average distance from the sun is about 36 million miles, and it travels around the sun at faster speed than any other planet. And even it has a large variation in its temperature during day and night, and it does not have any satellite of its own like Earth has moon, and there is no water or atmosphere on Mercury, and 88 days on Mercury makes a year, as it takes Mercury 88 days to orbit around the sun, means to revolve around the sun. And hence Mercury has the shortest year among all the other planets, and it can be seen with naked eye, and no seasons exist on Mercury's surface. Next planet, Venus, is one of the planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is the brightest planet in the sky when viewed from Earth, and it is Earth's nearest neighbor, coming closer to Earth than any other planet, and it is the second planet from the sun, and its distance from the sun average about 67 million miles, and it is the hottest planet in the solar system. Now next planet is Earth, and it is one of the 8 planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is the third planet from the sun. And Earth travels around the sun at an average distance of about 93 million miles, and even it appears bright when seen from outer space. And even Earth is the only planet in the solar system that can support life. Even Earth is often called the water planet because of the presence of water on it, and it is the only planet in our solar system that has a liquid water on its surface, and about 71% of the Earth's surface is covered by water, and it reflects about 1/3 of sunlight that it receives. And even it is called the blue planet because from space the oceans combine with the atmosphere makes the planet look blue, and the layer of gases which remains attached to the ground of planet due to gravity, which prevent too much heat or UV rays from the sun reaching the earth. Even moon is the only satellite of the earth. And as earth revolves around the sun, and due to its tilt, seasons are created, and because of its rotation, day and night are created. Means it rotates about its own axis and thus creating day and night, and it takes 24 hours to make one rotation. And when its orbit means revolve the sun once in about 365 days. So in short, it is the third planet in the solar system. It is called blue planet because almost 70% of its surface is covered with water, and it appears blue when seen from the space, and it is the only planet where life is known to exist. Next planet is Mars, and it is one of the planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is the fourth planet from the sun, and it is also Earth's outer neighbor. And Mars travels around the sun at an average distance of about 142 million miles, and even its diameter is approximately half the diameter of Earth, and it has 2 satellites, and it is called red planet because the soil and rocks on this planet are red, and it is the only planet that is similar to Earth, and even scientists believe that it is the only planet beside Earth where life may exist. Next planet is Jupiter, and it is one of the 8 planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is the largest planet in the solar system, and it is bigger than all the other planets put together. And Jupiter is the 5th planet from the sun, and it travels around the sun at an average distance of about 483 million miles. So in short, it is the 5th and the largest planet in the solar system, and Jupiter spins very fast and pulling the clouds surrounding it to form a strip pattern. And this is why we see a strip pattern on Jupiter when we look carefully. And it is the largest planet in the solar system, and it is so big that you could fit all the other planets in the solar system inside it, and it has a great red spot which is the rotating storm system inside the planet. Next planet is Saturn, and it is one of the planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter, and it is known for its beautiful rings, and it is the sixth planet from the sun, and it travels around the sun at an average distance of about 890 million miles, means 1.4 billion kilometers, and it has 22 known satellites, and its rings are made of many pieces of rocks and ice. Next planet is Uranus, and it was the first planet to be discovered after the invention of the telescope, and it is the seventh planet from the sun, and it travels around the sun at an average distance of about 1.8 billion miles, means 2.9 billion kilometers, and it is the only planet which rotates on its axis from east to west, and it has 27 known satellites, and it is a very cold planet, and it receives 370 times less sunlight than Earth, as it is far away from sun as compared to Earth. After Uranus, next planet is Neptune, and it is one of the 8 planets that orbit or travel around the sun in the solar system, and it is a huge distant planet that is deep blue in color, and it is stormy world, and the planet has the fastest wind ever discovered in the solar system as compared to other planets. And out of 8 planets, Mercury, Venus, Mars and Earth are inner planets, and Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. So together with Jupiter and Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are outer planets. Even till July 2006, it was accepted that the Sun has a family of 9 planets, not 8 planets. However, on August 24, 2006, the International Astronomical Union, means IAU, redefined a planet, and our solar system now has only 8 planets, and out of 9, Pluto, which was earlier a planet, is now called a dwarf planet. Let's solve question 1. Choose the correct option. First, THE, the NUMBER, number, of PLANETS, planets, INN, OUR, SOLAR, solar, SYSTEM, system. So the question is the number of planets in a solar system dash. First option SEVEN, 7. Option B EIGHT, 8. Option C NINE, 9. Option D TEN, 10. Answer option B EIGHT, 8, means the number of planets in our solar system, 8. Now next, THE, the BIGGEST, biggest, PLANET, planet, of THE, the SOLAR, solar, SYSTEM, system, So the question is the biggest planet of the solar system. Option A EARTH, Earth. Option B JUPITER, Jupiter. Option C URANUS, Uranus. Option D NEPTUNE, Neptune. So answer option B JUPITER, Jupiter, means the biggest planet of the solar system is Jupiter. Now next, THESE, these, CAUSES, causes, DAY, day, AND, and NIGHT, night. So the question is these causes, day and night. First option ROTATION, rotation. OF, THE, the. EARTH, earth. So first option, rotation of the earth. Now option B REVOLUTION, revolution. Of, THE, the. EARTH, earth. So second option, revolution of the earth. Now option C CHANGE, change. Of, THE, the. POSITION, position. Of, THE, the. SUN, sun. Now option C, change of the position of the sun. Now option D CHANGE, change. Of, THE, the. POSITION, position. Of, THE, the. MOON, moon. So option D, change of the position of the moon. So answer is option A ROTATION, rotation of the earth, means rotation of the earth causes day and night. Now next question, A GROUP, group. Of, THE, the. STARS, stars. IS is a dash. So the question is a group of the star is a dash. Option A CONSTELLATION, constellation. Option B GALAXY, galaxy. Option C BUNDLE, bundle. Option D PLANET, planet. So answer is option A constellation, means a group of the star is a constellation. Now next question, WHAT, what? IS is THE, the. AVERAGE, average. TEMPERATURE, temperature. on. THE, the. SURFACE, surface. Of, THE, the. MOON, moon. at NIGHT, night. So the question is what is the average temperature on the surface of the moon at night? Option A 100 degrees Celsius. Option B minus 100 degrees Celsius. Option C 173 degrees Celsius, and option D minus 173 degrees Celsius. So answer is option D minus 173 degrees Celsius, means the average temperature on the surface of the moon at night is minus 173 degrees Celsius. Now next, WHAT, what? ARERSTARS, stars. MADE, made. Of UP, up. So the question is, what are stars made of up? So first option GASES, gases. Option B HEAT, heat. Option C LIGHT, light. Option D ALLOF, of. THESE, these. So answer is option A, gases, means stars are made up of gases. Now next question, A, PLANETS, planets, WITH, with RINGS, rings. So the question is a planet with rings. First option JUPITER, Jupiter. Option B SATURN, Saturn. Option C URANUS, Uranus. Option D NEPTUNE, Neptune. So answer is option B, Saturn, means a planet with a ring is Saturn. Now next question, PLANETS, planets, THAT, that FORMS, forms. A STRIPED, stripped. PATTERN, pattern. BY, by. PULLING, pulling. CLOUDS, clouds. AROUND, around. IT, it. So the question is, a planet that form a strip pattern by pulling cloud around it. First option JUPITER, Jupiter. Option B SATURN, Saturn. Option C URANUS, Uranus. And option D NEPTUNE, Neptune. So answer is option A, Jupiter, means a planet that forms a strip pattern by pulling cloud around it is option A, Jupiter. Now let's solve question 2. Match the following. Now first question from column A, MERCURY, Mercury. So as you know, Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun and also the smallest planet in the solar system. So answer is option E, smallest planet. So for Mercury, answer is option E, smallest planet. Now second word from column A is MARS, Mars. So as you know, Mars is a fourth planet and it is also called red planet because the soil and rocks on this planet are red. Answer is option C, RED, red. PLANETS, planets. So for Mars, answer is red planet. Now third question means third word from column A, VENUS, Venus. And answer is option D, HOTTES, hottest. PLANET, planet, because Venus is the second planet and it is the hottest planet. Answer is option D, hottest planet. So for Venus, third question, answer is option D, hottest planet. Now fourth word from column A is SATURN, Saturn. And as you know, Saturn is also known as the planet with ring because it appears to have several rings around its middle. So here for fourth question, Saturn, answer is option A, planet. Planets, WITH with RINGS ring. So for fourth question, Saturn, answer is option A, planets with rings. Now fifth question, URANUS, Uranus. So as you know that Uranus and Neptune are farthest from the sun, and together with Jupiter and Saturn they are also called outer planet. So here answer is option B, OUTER, outer, PLANETS, planets. So for fifth question from column A, Uranus, answer is option B, outer planet. So today we have learned that the sun, the 8 planets along with their moons and the dwarf planet form the solar system, and the planet and dwarf planet circle around the sun in the fixed path which are called orbit, and the moon is the only natural satellite of earth, and rotation cause day and night, and revolution along with the tilt axis of earth cause the season, and it takes the earth about 24 hours to complete one rotation and 365 and quarter days to complete one revolution.